Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to Social Studies class. So, in this concept, we will be revising chapter number 11, Our Natural Resources of Concept 2. So, let's begin. Children, I have already taught you in the live class what are the two types of natural resources. The two types of natural resources are inexhaustible resources and exhaustible resources. So let's study what are the features of inexhaustible resources. Renewable resources are those resources which do not get exhausted and can be renewed again. Why am I talking about renewable resources? Because they are the other name of inexhaustible resources. Some examples are air, water, it's not ether children, it will be water, wind, soil, plants, animals, solar energy, wind energy are all renewable resources. I have told you what is the meaning of the word renew. Renew means to replenish or refill. Renewable resources can be easily renewed by nature within a given time, a short period of time. For example, water is replenished back to the earth, which is also known as groundwater, through rainfall. Let's move further and let us take a look at some renewable resources which are also given on page number 79 in your book. So let's study air. All living things needs air to breathe. Therefore, air is an important natural resource. Without air, life would not be possible on the earth. The second one is water. All living things need water in order to survive. Plants need water to grow, and animals need water to drink. Humans need water for many purposes, such as drinking, cleaning, cooking, and for growing crops. Now, children, in your book, it is also given that electricity generated from falling water is called hydroelectricity. Please learn this definition. Another one is soil. Soil is the top layer of the earth's crust. It is an important resource as this is the layer where plants grow. We need soil in order to survive. Now, let's move further and let us discuss plants and animals, which are also the example of inexhaustible resource. Plants provide us with food. They are also known as green gold. We have discussed why are they known as green gold, because gold is a precious type of metal and plants are precious to us, which are green in color. Now many animals also depend on plants for their food. Some plants are used to make medicines from their roots, leaves, barks, etc. Now let us come to animals. Animals give us products such as meat and eggs. They also help to transport goods and people. Animals are often used to work on fields in our country. Now, children, let's discuss this particular fact wise. Although renewable resources get replenished or refilled easily, we must take care to use them wisely. For example, water is a renewable resource, but if we keep wasting it, then it will lead to water shortage. It is also mentioned in your books on page number 79. Now let us discuss the fact wise. Fact wise over here is that animals are also an inexhaustible type of resource as they can reproduce. But if we hunt them more, then they will be extinct, which means died out, like the passenger pigeon and the dodo bird. Thus, if animals are not protected, then they may also become an exhaustible resource. Now, let us discuss some more inexhaustible resources examples, which is solar energy and wind energy. And you can see the pictures as well. The energy which we get from the sun is used extensively. Nowadays, solar energy is being used to cook food with the help of solar cookers, heat water, light streets, pump water. Now, let me tell you, children, solar energy is the resource of the future generation. We should actually consume it wisely. Now, let's talk about wind energy. Wind energy is also being used to produce electricity. Many windmills have been set up at different places in Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Kerala, West Bengal, and also Gujarat. Now let's move further and let's discuss the second type of natural resource, which is exhaustible resources. They are also known as non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those resources which are available in limited quantity. Once they are exhausted, they may not get replenished or renewed easily. Therefore, they are also known as exhaustible resources. Exhaust word means finished. As you can see, children, these are the pictures, and it says that non-renewable energy sources are finite. Finite means they are limited. Non-renewable resources are natural resources that can be depleted or used to the point that they are no longer available. We cannot renew them, we have to buy them again. Now, some examples of non-renewable resource or exhaustible resources are coal and petroleum and minerals or maybe metals. Coal and petroleum are non-renewable resources. They are found deep inside the earth. This quantity is limited and they take thousands of years to get renewed. Coal is used as fuel to generate electricity and in factories and steam engines. Petroleum is also known as black gold, which is used to make petrol and diesel to run vehicles such as cars, buses, scooters, ships, and aeroplanes. Now, minerals. Minerals are non renewable resources, they are natural substances made up of rocks. We get many metals such as iron, gold, copper, and aluminium from minerals. These are used to make different things. These metals are also available in limited quantities. Once they are used up, they are not easily renewed. Now, children, remember there is a need to use natural resources carefully. We should not misuse or waste these resources. We must use them in such a way that there is enough left for our future generations also. This concept we will be studying in the next concept of this chapter. Here is the difference between, this is a very important part of this particular concept, difference between exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources, which I have also made you marked in the live classes. But to revise this concept, you can see there are four different points of exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources. Children, please learn this. It is very very important of part of this chapter. Now, thank you so much. The earth is saying bye to you. Children, there is an advice for you all. Be nature's advocate and save our natural resources. Thank you. See you soon.